Welcome back to Texelated, Isolated with Technology. And today we're going to take a second look at the Samsung Galaxy Book 360 Pro. The first one. This is not the Book 2. This is the first one. We're going to take a look at it and see how it manages 4K video using Adobe Premiere. What prompted me making this video was the release of the MacBook Mini 2 and the MacBook Mini 2 Pro. I was very close to pulling the trigger to buying at least the MacBook Mini. The MacBook Mini 2, that is. It just hit me. I have a laptop. I have a computer. My main computer is my laptop, which is the Samsung. I have a computer that's already doing multiple 4K files with no problem. So I see countless YouTubers opting to get Mac products with the explanation why they're getting it is because it helps them with 4K video. So I'm just not sure if people realize that this Windows device running an i7 Intel processor is more than capable of doing the job. So let me just go into the settings just to show you exactly what this computer is running. And mind you, this computer is only running 8 gigs of RAM. All right, so let's take a look. So 11th gen Intel Core i7 running at 2.8 gigahertz, 8 gigs of RAM, 64-bit operating system, running Windows 11. There you have what I'm running. Nothing too special. This is not even the newest version of this laptop. Let's go into Adobe Premiere now. I have 2 4K files. I have camera 1, camera 2, and I have the audio. So we're going to open Premiere. And I'm going to demonstrate to you that this laptop, unplugged, mind you, this laptop is unplugged. It's running strictly off battery power. That this laptop could run 4K no problem. So let's start a new project. Just call it Untitled. Replace. So I'm just going to import the media. And now I'm just going to make this into a multi-source sequence. All right, so I'm at half resolution right now. As you can see, 2 camera angles, scrubbing no problem. If I play it back. Phone. I use this sometimes in videos that are no problem. Scrubbing, no problem. Even if I go to full, if you listen carefully, you can hear the fan coming on. It's not very loud, but it is coming on. All right, so still I'm in full, still able to scrub. Take it back. Welcome to the Texelated test. I am just filming this for a YouTube video comparing. No problem at all. Let's add some text and graphics while we're at it. All right. Let's just add something like this. See, still able to scrub. Let's hit play.
All
Alright, welcome to the Texelated test. I am just filming this for a YouTube video comparing 4K video editing using the Samsung. Alright, so let's go back and play it. I'm going to reduce the resolution to 1/4 just to give the computer a little breather and watch what happens. Alright, welcome to the Texelated test. I am just filming this for a YouTube video comparing 4K video editing using the Samsung ProBook 360. So this is just 4K footage just to use for my video. See, no problem. Easy to manipulate footage, easy to edit. If you are running into any sort of frame rate issues, you could even drop it down to 1/8 and you still to the Texelated test are able to edit. I am just filming this for a YouTube video comparing 4K video editing using this. See, so no rush for me anyways to run out and buy the MacBook Mini 2 or the MacBook Mini Pro 2. I have something very capable here. All my videos on this channel have been edited with this computer right here. I don't see any need to rush out and go get something that I don't really need. So for any of you out there considering, getting Apple products because you feel that it can handle 4K video better than Intel-based PCs, here's an example of that narrative getting shut down. So if you have any comments, if you have any questions, please leave it below. Thank you for joining me inside the isolation chamber. You've been watching Texelated, Isolated with Technology, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.